Okay, people, let's have a full analysis of a really good trade practice. I'll talk about the best momentum scalping strategy. And I do not teach you new things. I teach the same strategy over and over. If you're ready, let's do this. Let's talk about trading powerful momentum on the go. This morning, I noticed that Nasdaq was having a great day. When you look at this chart here in the 2-hour frame, who do you think controls the price? Who is the dominant and who is the pushing the price? It is obviously the buyers. And you can see that price fused itself up with imbalance points. If you closely look at the last price action, you can see that after a small pullback, price gets back into this multi-imbalance from multiple time frames at once to power up. Now, let's open the 1-minute time frame and talk in detail. The yellow point here presenting the 4 imbalance tabs from 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 and 2 hours. If you check the chart on the left side, you can see the 1-minute vision of where the price hits. Not just that, this is also a decent support and resistance flip area. Now we have a decent price action area right here to check and learn many things. Let's focus on the entry now. In our point of interest location, what really happens? Inner structure breaks and price then dips into our imbalance area, giving us a decent entry point. Price also hits the discount area as well, just below the EQ point. This is a nice 2-hour setup, nothing wrong with this. However, I can hear you out. You are sick of this market structure craps. Then what else can you actually do here? First of all, at least try to wait for a bullish break to see some power from the buyers. Then make a manual entry, no hard stop loss, a mental large stop loss. If you check out the left side, we are actually in the bullish move with the structure box. In my opinion, placing a second order right below the inner liquidity area could be wise. At this point, there are 2 yo-yo will be more than enough to see what really happens, how the price action evolves, so we can observe and make new decisions on the go. So, let's sum it up. What really happened here? We know that price is really bullish, buyers dominating the Nasdaq, pullbacks just giving us some entry chances. By using our momentum layout from the masterclass, we know that we are in this point of general interest area with multiple imbalances to look for a trade entry. Beside all this, we know that this is a decent SR flip area as well. So many smart money combinations here. Then you notice the inner structure break and make the entry. Very classic smart money concepts, you already learned a lot. Okay folks, another great video ends here. Let's get some rest for the weekend. See you next time. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you